Developed from over 25 years of experience in client feedback, Antero is a CMMS program designed to help facilities track their physical assets, better manage their work orders, and analyze all the costs associated with their maintenance program. Easily define and create your equipment list. There is no shortage of information to track when it comes to your assets. Everything from original purchase price information to an entire maintenance history. You can also attach documents, pictures, and even create your own custom fields for additional information. Antero gives you all the tools necessary to manage your work orders and routine maintenance tasks. The dashboard gives you the ability to see your current and future work and plan your day accordingly. Dashboards are highly customizable to show you the information that is important to your maintenance operations. The Open Work Orders section gives you the ability to easily create new corrective or emergency work orders and even define and schedule your preventative maintenance. Quickly distribute work orders to assigned employees, change the status of open work, and complete your work orders all from this section. Antero even offers a work request application, giving non-users the ability to request work orders, allowing you to expand the program's usage and effectiveness. Just tracking all your maintenance program information is not enough. Antero offers a robust reporting section with over 100 stock report templates to give you the information you need to make key decisions. Lifetime equipment costs, depreciation, and downtime reports are available for all of your assets. Keep track of labor costs and hours worked, parts and subcontractor costs as well. Custom reports can also be created. Antero offers many other features as well, including parts and inventory management, ordering and receiving, even SCADA integration. Explore our website to learn more or contact an account manager today to find out how Antero can be your facility's CMMS solution.